The heart, the lungs and the skin are some of the organs in a human body. Plants have organs too. Leaves, stems, roots and flowers are plant organs. An organ performs one or more functions. In a human body, the heart is in charge of pumping its muscular wall to circulate blood around our bodies, while the stomach is in charge of digestion. For a plant, the stem is responsible for transportation of manufactured food from the leaves and water from the roots to different plant parts. Just like a human body, a plant has a system which transports nutrients to the various plant parts. Almost all plant parts are involved in the transport system of a plant: the leaves, roots, stem, and branches. The transport system, as the name implies, helps to transport water, nutrients, and mineral salts to all parts of the plant. Water and nutrients from the soil enters the plant through its roots. There are tiny hair-like structures known as root hairs around the tip of each root. The root hairs aid in the absorption process. The roots also enable a plant to anchor itself as they extend like a hand into the soil. The water and nutrients which are absorbed by the roots move into tiny tubes known as xylem. The xylem runs from the roots into the stem and other parts of the plant. They function like the blood vessels in a human body. Food made in the leaves is transported to other parts of a plant through tiny tubes in the stem as well. These tubes are known as phloem. The stem supports a plant, lifts up its leaves, and with the help of branches, helps to spread out the leaves to receive maximum sunlight. Photosynthesis occurs mainly in the leaves of a plant. Light energy is absorbed from the sunlight by chlorophyll, which can be found in the leaves. There are tiny openings on the leaves called stomata. Plants make use of stomata to breathe as the gases move in and out through them. They allow carbon dioxide to enter the plant through the stomata. The amount of water vapor leaving the leaves is also controlled by the opening and closing of stomata. Leaf veins are the lines which we observe spreading over the surface of a leaf. These veins allow water to be transported to the leaves. Plants, like animals, reproduce too. The reproductive parts of a plant are found in its flowers. In some plants, the male and female parts can be found on a single flower, such as the hibiscus. However, there are some which have separate flowers for their male and female parts, such as the corn plant. The female part of the flower is known as the pistil. It is made up of the stigma, style, and ovary. The ovary consists of one or more ovules. Within each mature ovule is the egg. The male part of the flower is known as the stamen. Each stamen consists of an anther and a filament. The anther consists of pollen sacs, which contain the pollen.